everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be so exciting. Why? Because you're literally getting an insight into my life and my soul. Today's video is going to be a room tour. I'm going to be taking you around, showing you where everything's from, all the little weird bits of my room. This video is so requested. I always get questions like, where's your bed from? Where's your bedding from? Where's this from? Where's that from? Blah blah blah, etc. So I just thought it'd be really easy to film an updated room tour and answer all of your questions. Plus, if you're like me and you're super nosy, this video should hopefully satisfy all of your nosy needs. But before I get started, I'd just really like to say thank you to today's sponsor. This video is sponsored by the company Soulfeel. As many of you will know, I have actually worked with them before. Okay, well, this necklace just got tangled. Oh god. As many of you will know, I have actually worked with them before. They are the people who gifted me this flossie necklace. They offer amazing jewellery at an even more amazing price, and they also just recently gifted me this beautiful, beautiful Aquarius star sign constellation necklace, which I actually got so many questions about in my last video. So if you're wondering where it's from Soulfeel. I also wanted to show you that these necklaces are perfect for gifts. I actually got some of my friends some gifts. As a lot of you will know, I recently went to my first ever Sitsi, and that weekend will always hold such a special place in my heart. So I've actually got necklaces for all the people I stayed with. So I've got one for Byron, Haz, Jasmine and Sophie. I'm gonna message them after this video and get all of their addresses so that I can post them to them. So if you guys are watching, I don't know if you will be, but if you are, then you've got a necklace coming your way, because thank you for making me feel so welcome around you all. They are amazing quality. I literally wear my necklaces all the time, in the bath, out the bath, and they don't tarnish, they don't go gross, like they don't fade, and they're around £30–40 I think this one was, so amazing quality. I'll have a discount code in the description box down below, as well as leaving it on screen just here. They do all the jewellery in so many different colours. They do rings, earrings, just all sorts, so it's really worth you go and check them out. Enough of me rambling on, let's get into the room tour. I feel like I'm bringing back OG YouTube, the 2013 stuff that I used to obsess over. So this is what the back of my door looks like.
Ugly, I know.
I'm actually selling this hat too, if anyone wants to buy it. My Depop's in the description box if you want to cop it. I just keep all my coats and everything on the back of here, as well as a really cool dressing gown my neighbour got me. And then as you pan around from my door, this is my bedroom. This is what it looks like from an overview. Lol, I always keep this ugly ass mirror on my window. It looks so bad. So I'm just gonna go through my room section by section and tell you where everything is from. So my chest of drawers is just from IKEA. It's like perfect for the space, and I have the exact same chest of drawers over there. I like it because it adds like symmetry to my room. My room isn't massive, so I kind of need it to look a bit bigger. And then on top of my desk, I just have lip balm. I've got like a little Buddha thing which is supposed to have a candle in it, but it just has some jewellery. This cute little baby, oh my god, what are these called? A cute little baby angel that I got in Italy. I've got candles, a camera, my Alexa, play Despacito. I've then got like this dish, which is just full of random bits. It's got my Sitsi wristband in it. It's got a few pegs for like fairy lights that I've got across my bed, a couple of Polaroids, and just some loose change in it. And my mum actually made this bowl because my mother is a ceramicist. Get at her at @klegg ceramics on Instagram. And I used to be a massive Florence and the Machine stan, so I've got this signed photo of hers, which I still love her. Do you know what, ladies and gentlemen? Today is your lucky day. I didn't think I was going to take you through a tour of my chest of drawers, but you're in luck. So in my first compartment, I have got sunglasses. In here, I've got these ones, Gucci ones, and these ones. And then I've got perfumes in here. I got a portable charger, which is like my ex-boyfriend's godparents' sons. So, Ollie, if you want this back, I'm sorry, but it's probably not ever gonna come back to you. Jeans in here, and then I've got like shorts and stuff that I'm not really wearing at the moment over in this section. Then in here, this used to be full of my bikinis, but now it's full of random shit. It's got all my hair tools in. Waxing strips, a vuvuzela. Who remembers these? My dad bought me back one when he went to go and watch like the World Cup or something in South Africa. So that just chills back there. And then this last drawer genuinely is just full of random shit. Okay, that was disgusting. Okay, now moving on to my bed. My actual bed frame is from IKEA. And then above it, as you can see, this is new as of last night. I have this incredible art piece that was actually done by my sister. I'll leave her Instagram name on screen if you do want to go and follow her and have a look at her art and stuff. She's incredible. She's currently studying at Chelsea, but she's moving to Berlin for a while to go and study art over there. But yeah, she's super talented, so go and follow her if you want to see more of her beautiful pictures. I like it because it's got dogs in it and I love dogs, and she explained the meaning to me, but I'm not intelligent enough to remember it, so thanks Anna, I love it. And as for my bed, this bed thing here, it's got little like blue beads along the bottom of it. I'm pretty sure they won't sell it anymore because it is so old, but this was from Laura Ashley. These pillows are from... They're all probably from Laura Ashley, to be honest. I mean, they're pretty basic standard pillows. You can find them anywhere. I know these blue ones in the back are definitely from Laura Ashley, so bone tap the queen. Fun fact, I actually stole these off the sofa downstairs. Please don't hate me, Mum and Dad. I like the way the orange ties in with the orange on the paintings, and like the colours kind of, they go. At least I hope they do, because I try my hardest. My bedding, which I always get questions about, is from IKEA. And at the top of my bed I have these copper fairy lights. They're currently out of battery, so they won't turn on, but they're from Urban Outfitters and they come with little pegs to pin Polaroids up on them. So I've got a photo of me and Anna, photo of me and my friend Izzy, photo of me and my friend Ellie, Will. Oh dear. All hanging above my bed, and it looks really pretty when the fairy lights are on, and it's not like every single white girl in existence owns them, so... Now coming along to the other side of my room, I got this from my sister's godmother. She got it for me for like my birthday or Christmas. I got this cute little Buddha thing from HomeSense, and he was $7.99, so bargain if you ask me. He looks really peaceful and just, I like the way he sits there. Ow, okay, something really itchy digging into me. I've got another candle. What's this smell like? Oh my god, okay, I can't get it open. Yeah, that's not happening today. And then I've got this jar, which I got from an antique shop literally years ago. And then this little strange child. This is Miguel, and I got him in Mallorca this year, and it's just the weirdest little thing, and I couldn't not pick it up. I just think it's so fucking weird. I kind of live for him. I don't think Will was a massive fan of him though, to be honest. In this drawer I have all my bras and underwear, so I'm not really going to show you that. In this drawer I have not that much actually. I've got my laptop, I've got a dress, I've got some tops, belts and some wide leg trousers. In this drawer down here I've got my makeup, which desperately needs to be like organised. I've just recently got rid of a ton in order to organise it, but of course I haven't got round to it yet, so relatable teen. You turn around from my window and you have my wardrobe. My wardrobe is from IKEA. I stuck some Supreme stickers on it because I am an embarrassing teen. Wait, I'm not gonna show you inside this side of my wardrobe because it is such a mess. It's literally embarrassing, but you can see inside this side. This is just where I keep all of my clothes. It's really not that interesting. Down here I keep like beauty products. I've also got my Loving Tan box full of some Loving Tan stuff. My sister's The Label dress in the box below that because I work with them, which was just the craziest thing ever. I've got Jo Malone lotion stuff like that, body sprays, dry shampoo, clips for my heated rollers, nail polish. There are some makeup bags in that makeup thing there. And then down here I've got some shoes. I've got a Miss Pat pair that I haven't worn yet, my white pair of stiletto pointed toe heels, which are so beautiful, but I literally cannot walk in them to save my life. And then just a pair of black kind of suede heels. And then I've also got a Harvey Nichols box at the back full of fake eyelashes. Thank you, Bindi. Now moving on to the best, most tidy part of my room. I literally hate myself. I recently did a massive clear out of my bedroom and I got rid of 3 bin bags full of stuff, as well as a massive mispack bag, and there's like pillows and other bags down there that are all going out. But on this wall I stick loads of photos and just have loads of memories on it, and then I also use this light to film sometimes. I actually prefer it to like a box light because I feel like box lights produce really white light, which I guess is more natural daylight, but I kind of like the golden light, especially if I'm taking selfies, which, how embarrassing, I turn a light on for a selfie. Oops. A subscriber actually drew this and gave it to me at Sitsy. It's got the sweetest note written on the back of it, so thank you so much for that. I've got like a pack of Asian sweets that my friend Sadie got me for my birthday cards, my Sitsy pass, postcards from like exhibitions and artwork I like, more artwork, photos with friends, say hi if you see yourself, some like weird as hell maths advert that was dropped through my sister's door and I thought was really funny, Boardmasters wristband, photo booth photos, Supreme stickers because I'm embarrassing, a scene from my favourite film Howl's Moving Castle, another Supreme sticker underneath that which I really like, it's about Donald Trump, photo of me and my friend Izzy, me and my friend Toby at Boardmasters, me and Will on the first night we met. This one's funny too, that's me, Augusta and Lily. Some of you guys will know Lily Bolt, she does YouTube too, and she's actually the reason I'm with Will, so interesting. That is pretty much my entire bedroom. So that is the end of my video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. You can subscribe if you would like to see more of me. Don't forget to go and check out Soulfeel in the description box down below. Leave requests and comments in the comment section down below. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below. Also, I'm most active over on my Instagram and my Twitter, so follow me over there if you want to keep in contact with me. I love you all endless amount. I just really hope you all enjoyed this video. It's been one I've been really excited to film, and I will see you all very soon. Mwah. Good luck, Charlie.